How to build a gaming PC, Part 8. Today's components to be highlighted are indeed enlightening. We're talking about the case fans, and of course they have RGB. There are many fan manufacturers out there, but the selection gets smaller if you want things like optimized cable management, daisy chain capability, and white collar. Some noteworthy manufacturers are Li, Fantex, and the one that I chose, Corsair. The setup of your fans heavily depends on your case. I'm going to place a total of 8 fans in my case. 3 120mm fans for the top radiator, 3 140mm fans for the bottom of the case, and then 2 140mm fans as rear case fans. All of them are daisy chained and need just one controller for the ARGB functionality. The USB header connection of the fans go directly to the USB connection hub of my power supply to not use up any of the mainboard's USB 2.0 headers. I feel this is a pretty neat solution. Let me know in the comments if you agree. That's it, PC case fans, check. Next up, storage devices. And that will be the last one, and then we can finally begin to build the PC. Subscribe to not miss this awesome build. Thank you for watching. This is Schnödel from Schnödel Studios.